Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to start doing weekly cruise news, and I'm very excited and I can't wait to show the news for you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And by the way, I'm soon going on Celebrity Apex to Iceland and Ireland. News 1, the cruise that may never happen. There's this super cool cruise called the Life at Sea cruise that might not happen anymore. It was supposed to last for 3 years and let people live on the ship. They said the internet would be awesome and there would be good places to work. Lots of people were excited and even sold their homes to go on this cruise. But now, the people in charge of the cruise left because they couldn't talk properly, and the ship they picked might not be safe. The company, Murray Cruises, says that they have right papers to make it safe, but lots of the people who already booked are worried and want their money back. Only half the spots on the cruise are filled, so we don't know if it will happen or not. News 2. Carnival Pride is undergoing maintenance and Burger Day. The Carnival Pride ship is getting some touch-ups in Spain. They painted it blue to stop it from getting rusty. It's a good idea because white ships with red stripes can get rusty easily. They're also getting ready for International Burger Day by making 30,000 burgers. That's a lot of burgers and a lot of flushing toilets because of that. People love eating burgers from this place called Guy's Burger on the ship. The plain Jane burger is the most popular with 3.7 million orders. You can also put your own toppings on the burgers, but they stopped some toppings, so you have to check the bar for what's available. News 3. Food allergies and challenges on the cruise ships. Some people on Reddit talked about how hard it is for people with food allergies on Carnival Cruise Line. They told a story about their wife who got food she was allergic to on 2 cruises, even when they got the right food. It wasn't good. They want to know which cruise line is the best for people with food allergies. They're asking for other people's experiences to help everyone who needs special foods on cruises. News 4. Carnival Cruise Line Scolded for using the F word, and it's not the word you think about. Somebody got mad at Carnival Cruise Line because the cruise director said fun too much. They thought the cruise directors were being selfish. The person said it was annoying to hear the word all the time, but Carnival Cruise Line said it was silly to complain about that. The cruise directors just want to make everyone excited and happy on the ship. The person who complained doesn't even know the cruise directors personally. It's not fair to judge them like that. News 5. Passengers evacuated due to fire on cruise ship. Imagine being on a cruise ship and suddenly hearing an alarm at 5 a.m. That's what happened to people on Pacific Adventure Cruise. There was a fire in one of the rooms, but they took care of it quickly. They said it was all clear by 5 a.m. and nobody got hurt. The ship does 3-day cruises from Sydney, and they practice what to do in emergencies like fires. News 6. Carnival Sunshine delayed by storm. The Carnival Sunshine ship had to stay longer at port because of a big storm. The passengers found out the night before that they couldn't leave on time. One person named Monica was on the ship, and she said the storm was wild. They had to deal with big waves and strong winds for about 6 hours. It was a big mess, but Monica said Carnival cared about keeping everyone safe. Finally, they could go back to the port and leave the ship. Storms can make it very hard for cruise ships to do their thing, and it's not very fun for the people on board. News 7. Retirement of Aida cruise ship and the Godmother debate. The Aida cruise ship is going to retire soon. It's making people talk about cruise ship godmothers. This ship Heidi Cullum as its godmother, and people were wondering who's the best godmother. Some other cool godmothers mentioned were Sophia Loren, Betty White, and even Elvis Duran, who is a godfather for another cruise ship. A godmother is a famous person who brings good luck to the cruise ship. News 8. Man poses as cruise ship captain swindles people out of money. There was a sneaky man in United Kingdom named Jody Oliver who pretended to be a cruise ship captain. He tricked a bunch of people into giving him a lot of money. like £272,000. Oliver did his bad stuff at a pub, and he even dressed like a captain. He talked about cruising with the people, and they trusted him. But he got caught and had to go to prison for 6 years. They checked how much money he had, and it was only £375. That was less than what he took from other people. The people he cheated won't get all their money back, and that's not fair. Oliver's lawyer said he did it because he had a lot of gambling debt. But that's not all excuse to steal from others. It's important to be careful with who you trust. News 9. First time Carnival cruiser falls overboard. There was a really sad accident on a Carnival cruise. A first-time cruiser named Ronnie Pearl Jr. went overboard and disappeared. His friend on the cruise ship told the crew, but they couldn't find him. They checked the videos and saw that he fell into the water at 4:10 a.m. Everyone tried to find him, but it was too hard. The Coast Guard helped too, but they couldn't find him either. People on social media were talking a lot about it because Ronnie was having a great time on the cruise. People were also asking if it's easy to fall off a cruise ship. Usually the railings are so high that you couldn't fall by accident, but sometimes people fall on purpose or when they not being careful. We have to be safe and follow the rules on a cruise ship. News 10. Unsafe behavior on a Carnival cruise ship. Some pictures on Facebook are showing people doing dangerous things on a Carnival cruise ship. The ship was docking in Costa Maya, Mexico, and 2 people were sitting on the front of the ship over the railing. That's not safe at all. People are talking about how risky it is and if you can fall off a cruise ship. The railings are made to keep us from falling by accident, but if we do silly things, it can be dangerous. Sitting on the railing of a moving ship, and like in the pictures, is a really bad idea. If someone falls from there, it could be very bad because there are hard things below. We have to be smart and stay safe on a cruise. I hope you enjoyed the news, and please stay safe while you're cruising, and I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.